Greetings and welcome back to a Science ACC video. Today we'll be talking about NFPA 704, but we'll refer to it as fire diamonds. You can usually see these on doors and containers or canisters. This means there is a hazardous material present and will give you information on how dangerous that material is. There are 4 colors on the fire diamond, each one representing a hazard. The red quarter of the diamond stands for flammability. The yellow quarter of the diamond stands for chemical reactivity. The blue quarter of the diamond stands for health hazard, and the white quarter of the diamond stands for additional information. The 3 colored quarters of the diamond have a threat rating from 0 up to 4. If the number is 0, it means it is not possible for it to be flammable, reactive, or a health hazard. However, please take note that the blue quarter does not include ingestion of the material. For example, motor oil has a blue quarter rating of 0, but this does not mean it is safe to drink. If the number 1 is shown on a quarter, then a slight threat is present. For example, cellulose, the primary ingredient in paper, has a red quarter rating of 1. If the number 2 is shown on a quarter, then a noticeable threat is present. For example, capsaicin, the chemical found in peppers, has a blue quarter rating of 2. If the number 3 is shown on a quarter, then a moderate threat is present. For example, gasoline used in some car engines has a red quarter rating of 3. If a number 4 is shown on a quarter, then a severe threat is present. For example, nitroglycerin used in some medication has a yellow quarter rating of 4. The white quarter shows only additional information like oxidizer in the way of OX. It can also show reactive with water in the way of a W with a horizontal line going through it. It can also show simple asphyxiant in the way of SA. Hydrogen peroxide is a good example of an oxidizer, sodium is a good example of a reactor with water, and helium is a good example of simple asphyxiant. So now that you know this information about fire diamonds, here are some materials and fire diamonds. Pause the video to try and match them up. Here are the answers. So now that you got some general knowledge about fire diamonds, until next time, this has been Science ACC.